Hi there, Wally Wells with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center here. Today I want to show you this 2024 Cruisers 34GLS. One of the most prominent features on this boat is this huge swim platform. There's enough room back here to add extra lawn furniture if you wanted to, but it has a hydraulic swim step back here that can work as a platform or a bench seat, if you will, but it makes it real easy for people and for pets to get in and out of the water. You can also sit there as on a bench seat to be on board the boat yet in the water at the same time. Other features back here on the transom, we have a stereo remote here. There's storage under the seats. The backrest here with a flip of the switch can be transformed into a sun pad. The 34GLS is well equipped for entertaining, and here in the cockpit it has a Kenyan electric grill, a sink, we have a refrigerator here, there's a trash storage locker in this compartment, nice big L-shaped sofa here that has seating underneath, and on the opposite side another sofa with seating underneath, and then a refrigerator drawer here under the helm seat. Here at the helm of the 34GLS, this is a very comfortable helm. Excellent visibility out here. Got a bolster that you can lean up against, or you can flip it down and sit in the seat. Everything is at your fingertips. You have the SIMRAD displays that give you engine data and chart data. Other switches here for lighting. You got the joystick control here for the Axios joystick, and this also has the skyhook feature that you can hit the button and you have a virtual anchor keeping the boat in place while you put fenders on or whatever. The joystick can also be used as an autopilot. Just hit this button here and you have all that features of an autopilot right there at the joystick. Mercury controls here, trim tabs. Back here we have an inductive phone charger. Another great feature here in the cockpit area is the fiberglass hardtop overhead that has the retractable skylight. And as you go forward, you'll notice that everything is on one level. The deck is one level from bow to stern. So here in the bow, you've got this huge U-shaped seating area, which you can put filler cushions in to make a sun lounge up here, but it's an excellent seating space. And you've got a cooler down here, a Yeti cooler down here that's removable, but it has dedicated storage for it. Stereo remote, speakers, phone chargers, storage under the seats, and at the bow here we have our electric anchor windlass with the deck buttons here, very convenient. Just a big, huge, comfortable bow area with a lot of seating space. Drop down drink holders, drop down armrests, just very comfortable. Here in the main cabin we have two sofas that face each other. This can be converted into a berth area. This is a refrigerator here on the port side. And then here on the starboard side we have the microwave up above. Behind the seat cushion we have the main electrical control panel. Sound system control over there on the bulkhead. The head area has a vacuum flush toilet with a vessel style sink, opening port, shower. And then in the back under the stairs we have another berth back there. Well, that wraps up this video for the 2024 Cruisers 34GLS. If you're interested in this boat, please call the number on the screen. I'm Wally Wells, and for MarineMax, thanks for watching.